What's the meaning of black pepper? Black pepper. Black pepper.
Black pepper. Black pepper. Black pepper is a popular spice used in cooking and seasoning that comes from the dried fruit of the pepper plant. It is native to India and is now also grown in other tropical regions around the world. Black pepper has a distinct flavor that is both pungent and spicy, and it is commonly used in savory dishes such as soups, stews, and meat dishes. It is also used in marinades, rubs, and sauces. In addition to its culinary uses, black pepper is believed to have medicinal properties and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including respiratory diseases and digestive issues.